Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to send a payment request on Binance. So watch it very end so you don't make any mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is to open the Binance app and log into your account. You can open the app or probably you can also use the website. So after that, tap on wallet on the bottom menu, then choose funding wallet. Then after that, tap on request or receive. So select the crypto you want to request, which is USDT or Bitcoin, depends on your cryptocurrency preference. Then after that, enter the amount you want to request, then add a note or description if necessary. Then generate the payment request. Binance will generate a QR code and a payment link and share the QR code or the payment link with the person you will make the payment, the person who will make the payment. Then after that, once the sender completes the transaction, check your funding wallet for the received payment, and that's just a simple step-by-step guide on how to send a payment request on Binance. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.